The Auspice TV.
In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can use Samora bot to create a VTU app. Here we go. If you don't have Samora before, you can quickly go to Play Store and search for Samora bot. Now I've installed it before, that's why it's showing open. So if you have installed it, click on open. You need to click on the third option here, which is Android App Builder. So let me click on it. As you can see, welcome to Samora App Builder. So if you don't have an Android app before, so you need to click on just type 1 to create app, and you type 2 to log into your app manager, then type 3 if you forget your password. So let me type 1 to get started. Now it's telling me to enter any app name. So let me just put my VTU app. Now your email address, this email address must be valid because it will send you an activation code. So let me just put example vtu@gmail.com. Now what about password? Just create any password. Let me just put this. Now my app is created successfully. As you can see, it doesn't take much time. Now click on this place to download your app, while you click on this place to open your app manager. But let me start from here. You can see what it's showing. Your app logo is required because I've not uploaded my app logo. Before you can download your app, you need to upload your app logo. Now to do that, go back to Samora bot, then click on app manager. So click on this place. The first thing is you need to set up your app type. So you can see this is my app name. Do you want to enable sign up? Is a must for you to enable it. What about select an app type? So which type of app do you want to create? So I need to choose VTU. Now you can see it here. So VTU or e-wallet. Okay. Now your contact phone number. So put your phone number here. Button automated. Do you want it to be automated, or you want to enable WhatsApp button so that anytime they click on any service, it will take them to WhatsApp? So I will advise you to go for automated button. After that, you click on update. Your app is set up successfully. Now to download your app, you can see this is the link. So copy. By default, this is the amount just for demo. You can see demo here. So it depends on the type of VTU API that we want to use. So I'm going to explain the kind of VTU API we have here. But before that, let me go back to, we want to upload our app logo. Let me just go straight to that place. To do that, go to this place, go to app manager. It's simple software. What did you hear about Samora? But just put anything. Good. Now this is my panel. From this place, you can navigate to anywhere. So I want to change my logo. So you can see no logo. So click on settings. This is where to change your logo. So upload new logo. Click on this place. Let me use this. Now I click on upload. Once it is uploaded, let's explore around this place. In case you want to change the app name you have, this is your email address, your business address, you can just put your physical address here. Now what about mobile number? So put mobile number here. Now in case, this is just mobile phone I'm using. In case you want to use PC or web browser to manage your app, there's a simple way to do that. Just copy this ID, you can see the ID here, copy this ID. Now open your browser on PC or anywhere. Then type manager.service.com. Once you reach that place, paste this ID there. That's all. From there, you manage your app through web browser or even PC or anywhere. Now, in case you want to change your app theme, we have different theme here. Click on more. You can see, just change the color. As you can see, so we have many. This is how to check the output of the color. So as you are changing it here, it's reflecting it here. So that's how to change I've changed it here. Now, okay, let me change to my favorite. Let me just use red. On your app, do you want to display logo or text? So if you want to display text, this is already text. So if you want to display logo, change to logo. So I prefer text. Click on save changes. Once you are done, in case you want to change your password, click here. What about some words on your app? Click on this place. In this place, we have a place called, on the menu, we have a place called our blog. In case you want to change to another words, maybe latest news, or a blog, or blogs, anything you want to change it to. Under this place, we have contact, or do you want to change to anything? And we have our services, you know, if you want to buy airtime, data, all our services. In case you want to change it to anything, so you can edit it here. Once you are done, click on save changes. Social media links under contact us on your app. There's a place where they can get in touch with you via Twitter, Facebook, and other. So, or about phone WhatsApp number, you can put it here, your WhatsApp number, and you need to include your country code. Let's go back to our app manager. Before we start editing our app, I want to check my app first. So go back to Samora bot. Just press back. Now on this place you can see download the app. Now my app is ready. So it may take up to 2 hours due to application content and functionalities. But instead of you waiting, I will just advise you to go to Play Store, search for my app tester. Just type my app tester. The first one, then install it. I've installed it before, so click on it. Now this app will allow you to test run your app before it is done here. As you can see, your app is not available here. Even this is just 2 hours. Sometimes it will be 24 hours. It depends. So instead of you waiting, you need to go to Play Store, install my app tester. After that, open it. So click on test now. You enter your app ID here, but how you get your app ID? Click on this place. On Samora bot, open Samora bot, click on Android app builder, then send app ID as a chat to Samora. Okay, so go back to Samora bot, type app ID. Yeah, this is my app ID. Copy it out, go back to app tester. So paste it here. Open your app. So this is how remember that I changed my themes to this color. So this is how your app will look like when it is ready here. So instead of you waiting, you can just continue editing your app. Another thing is that once this thing is ready, you will see it will give you 2 options. The first one to upload it on Samora App Store, and the second one to upload it on Play Store. So we have 2 options. Okay, but instead of me waiting, let me just do our tutorial using this app tester. So the same way it works here, and it shows here the same way it will be when your app is ready. Okay, but your app will have your app name and logo, so you can install it on your Android phone. Okay, let's go. And click on continue. I don't have an account before, so I can register. You can see register. Let me quickly register so that I can log in and show you some things. Now I've registered. Let me quickly log in. Logged in successfully. Now this is my app. This is the team I selected, red. And on this place, transaction, I don't have any transaction. That's why nothing shows. And I've not sent any money. What about the owner of this app? Has he uploaded any blog? No. So that's why everything here is empty. But what you need to do as an app owner, I'm the app owner. So and this is how your visitor will see your app. And from Samora board you can manage your app. So let me click on App Manager. From here, click on menu, our blog, click it. No blog. What about here? That's why we don't see anything. Let me click on menu. So this is services. Click on services. You can see all the services you are rendering. Now this is profile. In case your visitor want to change anything, because you can change picture as well. Now before let's just go straight to blog so that I can add one or two things there. Blog. So what are we adding? Let me just anything you like, you can just add it. Okay, this is just what I want to upload. Let me click on save. It's uploaded. So let me click here to check the picture I upload. Okay, just go straight to this is your app tester. Let me just call it app. This is my app. So click on home. So you can see blog is here. So it's only one blog I put, but instead of this place to be empty, it will repeat itself. So if you upload more than one, everything will be showing. Okay, so you click on any of your blog to display. Even you can even share it on social media. Okay. Now after you've done that, let's go straight to how we can set up our, because if anyone wants to buy airtime, another thing will not work. So go straight to Samora, click on main dashboard. Now from here, it's telling me this is the task to perform. It's telling me to provide my facts. These facts mean frequently asked questions. So that means in case your users want to ask you anything, you may just put some questions and answers there. So these are to display to them. So you can see facts. So let me click here. Nothing shows. After that, provide your contact phone number. So that means you need to provide your correct phone number. That means you need to provide your correct phone number. Now kindly set up details on your payment method. Now, as your user, I want to fund my wallet so that I can buy airtime, because if I want to buy airtime like this, I want to buy Airtel 100 buy. You can see insufficient fund. Now how will I now fund my wallet, and the money, how is it going to reach you as the VTU owner? This is what you need to do. Click on this place. This is just for demo, so we need to provide correct info. Click here. Click on VTU setup. Which platform do you want to use? Is it VTPass or Club Connect? So this Club Connect, they offer good SME data. I trust them. And if you want to use VTPass, there's no problem. You can use any. Now let us assume I want to use Club Connect in my tutorial. Click here. What is your Club Connect ID? What's your Club Connect API? That's the two things you need. So you need to, okay, let me start from VTPass. When I click on VTPass, it's requesting for my VTPass email and VTPass password. Now to get that, go to your browser, then press enter. Now on this website, create an account. So click on sign up. After creating an account, don't forget your email and don't forget your password. After that, you need to contact them. I think the details are here. Just scroll down, find a place to contact them to activate your API access. Just tell them that to activate your API access. After you've done that, go back to your this it. So click on chat so that I can this it. Just send them a DM. They will reply immediately. After that, the email address you use to register and the password, that's what you need. Go back to your Samora, then provide the email address here, provide the password here. So which I'm going to do now. I've entered my email here and then there's my password. Now, the next thing to do, select payment type. So you need to select, is it bank transfer you want to enable or online payment? Now let me give you one scope. If you want to enable both bank transfer and online payment on your VTU app, you need to provide the two options. So click on this place, provide your direct bank details. After you provided that, click here, click on online and provide your public key. Let me explain this. We have Paystack and Flutterwave. So this Samora bot supports both Paystack and Flutterwave. This key here is just for test running. So you want to make the money to come to you, all you need to do now, delete this place. Then go to paystack.com or you go to flutterwave.com. After that, register. Once your account is approved, I'm referring to both platforms, both Paystack and Flutterwave. They operate the same way. Once your account is approved, log in, click on settings, click on API, and click on public key. Just copy out the public key, either on Paystack or on Flutterwave. Copy out the public key. Make sure your account is live, not in test mode. We don't need test mode, it's live remain. So copy out your public key, paste it here. Paste it here. Now, under that place, you see secret key. Copy out the secret key, either on Paystack or Flutterwave. Paste it here. Paste it here. So this is what I mean by Paystack. I can see the spelling. So paystack.com, flutterwave.com. Good. Leave this place. Button not say leave it like this. So click on save. Now after this, network busy or you enter wrong VTPass login, don't mind, maybe network is busy. So let me just refresh. Good. Now as you can see, contact VTPass for API access. So that means before I can make use of this VTPass, I need to contact them. So once they give access to your API or to your account to use API, you will see your balance here. So to fund your wallet on VTPass, you go to vtpass.com, fund your wallet there, and your balance will reflect here. So from that balance, that's what people will be using to buy anything, to buy airtime, to buy data, and other services. So for example, if your data is, if someone buys data 100 naira, so VTPass or Club Connect, they may not deduct that 100 naira from this your wallet. They may deduct like 96 naira from it. So meaning that the remaining 4 naira will be yours. So that's just how VTPass operates. Okay, now what if you want to use Club Connect? So this is how to do that. So on this page, click on VTU setup. Now on this page, select VT Club Connect. Now as you can see, your user ID is needed, and this is your server IP. Your API also is needed. So I will show you now. Just go straight to your browser and type clubconnect.com. Clubconnect.com. So on this place, on Club Connect, register and log in. I've registered before, so let me just log in. Okay, I've logged in. As you can see my account. So after you've done that, scroll down. Just scroll down. Click on Developers API. Click on Buy Airtime, because anything you do on this Buy Airtime will reflect on others. So click on Buy Airtime. Scroll down. Now on this place, this is my server IP. So on your own, it may not be this because I've changed mine that time. So click on, go back to Samora bot, copy out this server API, server ID, IP, then go to this place, paste it here. Paste it here. Before you click on save, you need this ID. You can see this is the user ID and this is your API key. So copy this ID. I can copy it here. So just copy it and paste it on this place, which I will do now. So the user ID here, I've copied it to this place. Why my API key, this is the API key, you can see. So this thing is secretive, don't show it to anybody. And if you know that it has been shown to someone, so you click on this place to generate new one. So copy this, paste it here, which I've already done. Once you are done with that, this, don't forget this place, this server IP, don't forget it. So you need to paste it here and click on save. If you don't do that, transaction will not occur on your application. So go back here, click on save. Now after this, it pops this. So that means Club Connect cannot process any transaction that requires TV sub, electricity, and educational PIN. So that means you need the support of VTPass. You need support of VTPass. So you can see Club Connect cannot transact TV subscription, electricity bill, and education PIN. So you need the support of VTPass. And I've already explained how you can get VTPass email and address and password. So when you register on VTPass, tell them to activate your API access, then you provide the email address here, password. After that, you click on save. So after doing that, your application is ready to be launched. So you can do that anytime. So but now this is just demo. So anytime you are ready to change your VTPass details, you click on this place to change it, so that your application can process anything related to TV, subscription, electricity, and education PIN. Okay, after you've done this, let me check my app again. This is my app, and my app is ready, so I can buy airtime. We want to buy airtime, you can proceed. This is MTN. We have Smile payment. Smile data. This is 9 mobile. This is airtime. This is airtime. This is airtime. This is airtime. Good. Okay. Now, what about another thing you want to? Let me quickly show you this. If you want to fund your wallet, remember that I told you you need to change your payment method. So if you want to fund my wallet, is in demo now. It's just in demo. So 100 naira I want to fund is in demo, but this is how it will look like if you use Paystack. So pay with card. I want to choose this payment. Good. 100 naira. You can see 100 transaction here. Good. I have one transaction here. So this is my money. I can use it to buy anything. I can even send the money from my wallet to another person's wallet. So how you get someone else's wallet? Tell the person to click on this place. This is the wallet. Click here and copy the wallet. So let me to send money to this wallet, but it will not go. Can see? You cannot send money to yourself. Good. Under this place, wallet funded, because I funded my wallet. Let me now take you around this manager. On this place, we have another option. We have prices set up. On how to work with this, just go straight to YouTube and search for how to configure prices on Samora bot. Simple. Or on Samora bot using on VTU. So it will give you full details on how to work with this place. Now let's go straight to transaction. Any transaction that has happened on your app, we can check it here. Can see? So this person has funded his wallet. Now to do anything, you can click on this icon. You can see, click on it. What do you want to do? Do you want to refund the person, or you want to debit the person? So anything you want to do. This thing is there in case if anything happens on your platform. So you can just debit your user, or you refund the person. So this is your recipient, the person that will receive the money. Now anything, narration, anything. If you don't put it there, Samora bot will generate a correct narration for you. After that, what if your user does not have like a debit card and you just want to do a transfer to you, and after that, how will you confirm the money? If the person has claimed that he has sent the money to your account, just click on this place. go to customers. This is the person. Let me assume this is the person. This is the user customer, or you search the customer here. Now we have here to suspend the customer. You can see. And after you suspended the person, you can still click on another icon will come here. So you can still click on that icon to activate the person. In case you want to delete, in case you want to send message, in this place, in case you want to credit the person or you want to debit the customer. The person has this money, 100 naira, so you can debit or you credit the person. Let me show you. See it here. So that means you can credit the person and you can credit, debit, credit. Good. Now you have gotten this message here. Let me take you to add-ons. By default, these are the installed add-ons. You're not the one that installed this. It was done automatically, so don't touch anything. In case you want to add more functionality into your app, like for example, you want to add slider pictures here, so just click on plus. Then you search for slider. Just look for slider. This is slider photos. Installed. So go back to your app, refresh, click on home. You can see something. Yeah, you can see. So how you change this picture? Go here, click app manager, click on this menu. You can see we have slider photos now, so click on this place. The two photos you saw in this place, these are the two photos. You can see, so you can delete them and add yours. Click on plus sign to add yours. And then the color of text on this place, this is the color of the text, so you can see, so you can change the color to anything you like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.
Kindly click on subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I release new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button beside it so that you will always be notified.